There is a money-making app on a site called Clickworker, and this is my review. They say it is a good money-making app for beginners or anyone who want to get into making money from home. I have been testing this app, Clickworker, recently, since I have been seeing it come up a lot in the money online space. In this video, I am going to tell you what is the Clickworker, what you can actually do on it, and how payment works, and whether I think it is worth your time. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button. So first thing first, what is Clickworker? So Clickworker is basically a platform where you get paid to do small online tasks, as simple as that. Big companies need humans to do things like research, data entry, writing short text, taking surveys, categorizing images, and instead of hiring full-time staff, they outsource that work to people like you and me through the Clickworker app. And how does it work? It is very simple. You sign up, you pick up tasks, you complete it, and you get paid. No experience needed, no degree, no interview. And the next question is, what are the type of tasks that you find in this app? The tasks vary for sure. Some days you might be doing surveys, other days it could be web research, writing short product descriptions, or even AI training, where you are basically helping to teach artificial intelligence. There is also something called UHRS, which are slightly bigger tasks that pay better, but you have to qualify for those first through small tests here and there. The tasks are for sure not hard, but they do require you to read the instructions carefully. And to be honest with you, it's not just about mindless clicking. You have to pay attention, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes very straightforward for you and easy now to make the small money here and there. And how do you get started? It is very simple. You just download the app first. You can also use the website to sign in, but the app is better from my experience. And just kawaida, you sign up with your real details, and I mean the real details. Do not impersonate anyone else, because they will ask you to verify. Then you complete your profile. The more complete your profile is, the more tasks you unlock. After that, you will see some assessments available. Take them seriously, because some of them you can only attempt once. Passing more assessment means more tasks, which translates into more earning potential. Therefore, you need to be extra careful as you sign up and go through this process. After the assessment, you go to the job task, pick what's available, and start working. You should not take what is available, because sometimes there are no available tasks, and especially if you're in the African country, some people use LDPs or proxies to hide their IP address. If there is a way you can be able to hide your IP address, you can be able to make a little more. Not I said pick what is available, because sometimes there are no tasks, and especially if you're in Kenya, as Africans, we are always disadvantaged when it comes to online job. But it is what it is. If you find available tasks, pick and start working on them. And in case there are no available tasks, you have to wait until there are available tasks. Now let's talk about the money. This is where all the juice is. How much can you make on this app? I'll be honest with you, Clickworker is not going to replace your full income. Most people earn between 100 to 500 USD per month, depending on how much time you put in and how many tasks were available for them. Therefore, you are supposed to think about this app as a side hustle, not a real income job. Think of it as something running quietly in the background while you build something better. I am still in the testing phase for this app, and I'll have a full update for you soon. But from everything I have seen so far, it is a legitimate app and pays real money. And how do you get paid? Payment is paid through PayPal or Pioneer every week, and it is automatic. Once you hit the minimum amount, it goes straight into your account. Finally, my honest opinion, I am not going to hype this Clickworker app as other people's do. It is not going to make you rich, but if you're looking for something genuine that can make you something little, maybe $10, $20, or even $50 here and there, this is a good app. And it is worth trying. Sign up, complete your profile properly, and take assessment and start. The hardest part is just getting started. I will be back with a full review once I have withdrawn real money for myself. I am still in the testing phase, and I want to see how much I can be able to make. I will be back with receipts. And you guys, tell me what you think about this Clickworkers app. Have you tried it? Have you seen people withdraw real money, because one thing I know about these money making apps, most of them are not going to give you good money. And good money, I mean from, for example, 1,000 USD and above every month. And guys, that is it for this video. I would want sincerely to hear your reviews about this app down on the comment section. Please make sure you put it right there and subscribe if you've not subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video.